Hey guys, my name is Abhishek and in this video I am here to talk about the alternative of ChatGPT 4. The free alternative of chatbot ChatGPT 4 is here. Firstly, we have to go to the Play Store because it is officially available on the Play Store. Search versatile intelligent chatbot. The first option is versatile intelligent chatbot. It is like 1.6 MB or to 1.9 MB. It is a volume size. Download and install the app. Open it. This is the interface of the app. It is having the settings. Open the settings and we will have only three options: persona, conversation style and internet access. Persona is your personal style. If you want to use the chat GPT for the coder, assistant or the content writer, I will use the default setting as the assistant. Conversion style, it is creative. What type of answer you want to get? Balance, it means give the creative and precise both, but in precise option it will give the precise answers, and in the creative style it will give the creative answer. Internet access to allow the internet for the question you have searched, but without your internet, this internet, that will not work. And the internet access is for the latest answer of your question, desired question. Firstly, we will turn off the option and we will search in question camera phone phones in 2023. It take a time for the search because it is free, so we can wait for the answer. Let's wait. And here is the answer. It is having it is not given the phones. It is not given the phone. It is only given the specification. But when we access the internet access and search best camera phones in 2023, search, it will take the time to get the response from the internet because it is getting from the internet, and it will take more than without internet access time. So we have to wait for the answer, and it is free, so we can wait. It take a longer time, and here is the answer. The phones are here: Google Pixel 7 Pro, and it is giving the description of the phone also and the camera also. Samsung Galaxy 23 Ultra, Xiaomi 13 Pro, Honor Magic 5 Pro, Google Pixel 6a. And here is the note: I am Abhishek, and in this channel, me, Abhishek and Sai also providing the videos for you. Thank you, and if you are new in the channel, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.